The Kentucky Derby is considered the greatest 2 minutes in sports. With Tag Mobile, you can spend 500 minutes every month talking to your loved ones for free and experience a similar delight. Proud to be associated with the people of Kentucky State through the Lifeline Assistance Program, Tag Mobile offers free cell phone service to eligible households and individuals. Moreover, under the Kentucky State free cell phone service, all eligible residents of the Bluegrass State are exempted from paying monthly mobile bills. The Lifeline phone service is a government program, and you can qualify for it if you're enrolled in any of the accepted programs, including food stamps, Medicaid, National School Lunch Program, Low-Income Home Energy Assistance Program, Temporary Assistance for Needy Families, and more. The free cell phone service offered by Tag Mobile includes a free cell phone, 500 free minutes every month, and unlimited global messaging every month. That's not all. Tag Mobile also offers you the privilege of convenient airtime top-ups whenever you need, upgrading to a smartphone, bringing your own device, international calling plans to over 75 countries, and free 100 megabytes of LTE data for referring a friend. Thousands of Kentucky State residents have already gotten their free phone, so what are you waiting for? Visit www.tagmobile.com or call us at 1-866-959-4918 now and say hello to a world of opportunities at your fingertips.